Hey, it's me, Trace B, here with another video. Today, I am going to do an unboxing video of a game I got from eBay. And which one it is, I've ordered 3. I got one today, one's supposed to come tomorrow, and then one Tuesday. And here's the one now. You can see, today, I'm unboxing it. Can't show you any of this. So, yeah. Get my package. Now let me unbox it. I'm unboxing it. Give me a minute. Ugh, I hate how eBay is. Yeah, shoot. Give me a minute, guys. I have 16 minutes to record. Ooh, before it used to be 2. Well, okay. And there I am. Almost done. Okay, got that. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's my Michael Jackson exclusive edition. Now let's open this up, because I'm going to download it tonight and play it tomorrow, but it won't be on my YouTube, sorry. I got a card in here with it. I got a cord that came with it. So thank you for supporting small business keeper finding. What dances are on here? Comes with a guide. So let's open this bad boy up. One disc. Smells like one of the ones you get new. Michael Jackson Experience Connect. There's that. Hey, sorry guys, I'm just looking, see if I can find any songs. Can't find any of the games. So, there's this. The Michael Jackson Experience Exclusive Edition. Guys, put this back. Got 2 more, got 2 other games coming. We got Bad. We got Thriller. So it has Bad, Beat It, Billie Jean, Smooth Criminal, Thriller, Black or White, and many more. My favorite songs: Smooth Criminal, Billie Jean, Beat It, Bad, Black or White, Thriller. All the ones I said now. There you go, guys. Peace, love, and Trace B. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a like. Peace.